the common raven. So I was in my kitchen the other day and a big crow landed in my garden. And I was like, I live in Ireland, right? So we see mostly crows and stuff like that. And I was like, that is the biggest crow I've ever seen. It was like the size of a chicken. Like it was really, really, really big. I was like, that can't be a crow. Like either that or it's like Odin or something. And I looked it up and it's the raven. It was a common raven. And I'd never seen one of these birds before. Like, at least not to my knowledge. So cool, so big, so I'm drawing it. Landscape page, use a pencil eraser and hit pause if I go too fast. That's my raven story. He flew off then, he was massive. So, center point of my page is about here. Come up and we start with the head. Really small black eyes, right? And it's kind of like a grain of rice sort of shape. Curved line there. The bottom. And like so. They're just black, right? So you can leave like a shine. There's two ways of doing the highlight. Like you could leave it white or you could add like white paint after you color it in. So I'll just do it this way. Okay. Then around that we've got like some skin or something coming around the eye. Like an eyelid, but it goes the whole way around. Like that, right? And then we have feathery sort of line, like a frown or like a bump or something, comes down, goes down that way. Maybe like a bag underneath. When I mean bag, like a circular, it's just like all textured and stuff in there. And then this comes around and we got like some feathers kind of sticking up. Sometimes they're like rough looking, you know, they're like, they eat like, I looked at, they eat like carrion. So they eat like dead animals. They don't really hunt them. Sometimes they can take lambs and rabbits and things, but they eat mostly already dead creatures. They're kind of scavengers. Right, that's like the brow, right? And then the back of the head comes down this way and it can be kind of, you know, feathery and spiky down that way. And then the front comes out here. So they have this extra section on their beak, right? So they have feathers on their beak. It's really cool. I never knew. The light comes out this way. It's kind of spiky on the end. Right, like this. And then it goes back in towards their face, like the bottom of their mouth. Like that, right? It has all these texture lines on them. Okay. Right. And then the top of the beak just comes out here, down to a sharp point, and then back this way for the mouth, right? I'm telling you, it's bigger bird than you think. Like if this bird attacked you, you could be, you know, could be in trouble. And then like we've got like some more sort of feathers just down here. And then the bottom. Of the beak. Down into that feathery area there. All right, and you could have some like textures on the beak maybe. Very intelligent bird as well. Right, so the head, so we've got like another sort of section of feathers that comes this way. It's just done sort of hatching sort of lines like for a cheek, like that, and like neck feathers here. front. Comes down this way. And you're just sort of trying to build up these textures just all here. Like that, right? And then the chest sort of comes down this way. Again, kind of furry, feathery. It becomes the wing at some point. Say like the wing will be here, but the back feathers all go down here. And it's smoother here because we've got like wing feathers and stuff. We eventually get down around to the bottom, down here. And this is all the flight feathers, right? So we got these long sort of feathers on the wing. So the top of this sort of comes around here, right? It's like the shoulder. And then lots of feathers. So it's like, comes down this way. And there's loads of feathers inside here then as well. We'll just get the main shape in first, right? So then like the belly, and there's more like wing feathers and things here, right? So we got like these curved lines for more feathers curling around here. And then we get down to really long tail feathers, couple of sections of them. So like, they're kind of like scraggly in some parts. One there, there, then another one. Again, sort of rough. And this goes all the way down around there. So wing feathers, tail feathers. There is some like more wing feathers in this section, and then tail feathers hanging down right here. Like this. There. Okay, and then we have 2 feet, and he's sort of perched, right? So it's coming out from these feathers. We got like a leg going that way, and then a toe kind of hooked back, holding on to a stump of wood. And then the feet goes that way, and then around here, big talons, and the foot goes back up underneath feathers up here somewhere. We'll draw it in, and if we have to cover it, we can. I think you do. Right, we can just see the other foot coming out from behind feathers under here somewhere. Down like so. Like another sort of talon here, holding onto a piece of wood, right? You might as well, we'll finish the feathers. He's got like feathers at the front, like belly feathers, I think. And they cover some of his feet here. So, say like another layer of them. Right, like feathers in there. Okay, and then maybe lines like on top of the legs. Feathers sort of hanging down. fluffy, downy fluff feathers. There, and then like again, he's on like a sort of a tree stump. It's sort of like broken, sort of. So it's got these zigzag lines, and then it goes straight down. Just sort of sit on top. I like all this. So like a stump like that. So now all these feathers inside here. So you just kind of got to build it up, right? So you're going to add like feathers along the top, and then some like sections just down this way. And you just gotta layer it up. They're like scales and sort of, you know, kind of overlapping patterns. So you like this. There's no kind of easy way of doing it. You just gotta bite the bullet and kind of just layer it up as best you can. And you just kind of give the illusion of feathers by adding this, and eventually they get longer and longer and longer and longer all the way down. Right. Okay, and they get like real long coming down here. It's like a bumpy off section here. Big feathers here. So no, I'm not saying much now, but I'm just trying to just build it up as best I can. Add feathers as I see them, like textured feathers at the front, some more like along the back of the head here. There's no sort of easy way of doing this. Just going to draw it as you see it. And kind of feathers just all along the back here. And some more in the belly. Okay, and then darken up maybe some of the edge lines. But that's most of the feathers then, and then you can just like thicken up sort of underneath some of the wing lines to make them look a bit more shadowy, like make them stand out off the body a little bit, like that kind of a thing. Okay, and then you can keep doing as much as you want, but I think I will leave it there. That is how to draw a raven. The common raven, Corvus corax, I think is the Latin name. Cool bird. You just color it black. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.